very good morning, my dear students. We have already started the chapter Animals, How Life Goes On. In this chapter, till now, we have learned that for the life to exist on earth, the animals must produce young ones of their own kind. Then only the life can move further. Yes. Do you remember the two ways of reproduction? Two ways how the animals reproduce? Yes. First one was by giving birth to young ones. And what are those organisms called? Mammals, right? We learned about the different characteristics of mammals in the previous class, right? And the second method is by laying eggs, right? So now we're going to learn about the second method. You know, we have birds. Birds reproduce by laying eggs, right? What happens actually when eggs are laid out? What happens? The bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm. And to lay eggs, they build what? Nest. Birds क्या build करती हैं? They build nest to lay eggs, right? And after that, they sit on the egg to keep them warm. Okay, right? And then the chick comes out from the egg, right? Almost egg has the similar structure, right? Let us learn what is the structure, internal structure of the egg today, right? Let us see the diagram first, right? Now if you see that this is the diagram for the egg, right? Among you also some of you eat eggs, right? So you might have seen egg के ऊपर एक coating होती है, hard shell होती है, white shell, जिसको आप remove करते हो, right? That is your egg shell. This is the outer covering, hard protective coating. That is your egg shell, right? This is your egg shell. Then you have a white substance which is present here. That is called albumin. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Albumin, right? And inside the albumin there is a yellow structure which is called as a yolk. So there are three parts of the egg. First is eggshell. Eggshell is the hard protective coating. जो इसकी hard protective coating है उसे हम कहते हैं eggshell. एक white structure होता है, that is basically your albumin. I have shown it with the blue color here. It's albumin. It's a coating here, right? Albumin के अंदर क्या है? Yolk. It's a yellow part which you eat. That is your yolk here, right? It's a white substance present here. That is albumin. Inside the albumin you have the yolk, right? I hope it's clear to you. If we talk about how the chick comes out, there's a certain part. 21 days. After 21 days, the chick comes out of an egg, right? Let us see what happens in that particular cycle. In case of the basically chick कहाँ grow करता है? Inside the yolk. यहाँ पर chick grow करता है, right? And growing baby को हम क्या कहते हैं? Embryo. What we call it as embryo. EMBRYO. It's a very important part. Growing baby is called embryo. That takes place inside the yolk only, right? And embryo uses yolk as its food. Embryo को food कहाँ से मिलता है? From the yolk. And it uses yolk as its food. And embryo develops. ये तभी develop होता है if the egg is warm. That is why the bird has to sit on the egg to keep them warm. That is why the embryo can grow if the egg is warm. And then after 21 days, the eggs are going to hatch and the chick is going to come out from the egg. I repeat once more. Structure क्या था egg का? Hard protective coating. That is your eggshell. It's a white substance which is present here. That is your albumin. And inside the albumin, you have the yolk, right? And chick grows inside the yolk. चिक ग्रो करता है इनसाइड द यॉर्क. और ग्रोइंग बेबी को क्या कहते हैं? एम्ब्रायो. एम्ब्रायो अपना फूड कहाँ से लेता है? इट यूजेस यॉर्क एज इट्स फूड. देन ओनली इट कैन ग्रो. इट नीड फूड. ओके. एंड ये तभी डेवलप करता है, तभी ग्रो करता है जब एग वार्म हो. एंड आफ्टर 21 days the eggs are going to hatch and chick is going to come out. I hope this cycle is clear. So there are number of questions related to this part. What are the different parts of egg? What is the inside yellow portion of the egg called? That is yolk. And chick comes out after 21 days. And that too, the internal growing baby, that is embryo, is going to grow only if the egg is warm. I hope it's clear to you. Now for your homework, you'll be doing oral question answers of page 70. There are 3 oral questions and you can do it in the book only, and you're going to practice this diagram. You're going to practice this diagram properly, see it from the book and draw it in your copies. I hope the things are clear to you. Thank you so much.